Hello, Adam. Welcome. My name is Ayush Tiwari. I lead ThingWorx Product Management, and joining with me is Adam. Adam, do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. Welcome. My name is Gąsiorek. I am CTO and co-owner of Technologies PSC. We help our customers digitize their processes and solve business problems with new technology like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing.
Awesome. So, we recently hosted a roundtable discussion with leading manufacturers to understand their AI use cases and then the challenges that they have in implementing those. So, it was a great session, and we would love to share some of the details. Adam is one of our leading partners who implement the technology that Velotic provides, specifically ThingWorx and Capture provides in different customer solutions. So, Adam, why don't you talk about some of the AI use cases we heard and the demonstration that you gave about one of the top use cases, predictive quality?
Sure. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to be the co-host of the session. For me, it was great fun and great experience to be able to sit down together with manufacturers, ask them what are the challenges, how they see the importance of data in solving manufacturing problems, and also share ideas from our side, how we can take a pragmatic approach to optimize processes and generate positive impact at city scale, manufacturing line scale, and also on worker scale.
Yep. No, that's really critical. And as we heard loud and clear, AI is kind of the enablement technology, but the business goals are still the same. Our customers were looking for ensuring high uptime of their assets, ensuring high quality, save cost, ensuring worker productivity. Productivity was one of the top use cases. So why don't you tell us a little bit about predictive quality use case that you built using ThingWorx AI capabilities? So ThingWorx, we launched this AI capability, which is a AI orchestration platform, and our customers and partners like yourself are building AI agents on top of the platform and solving specific customer use case. So tell us a little bit about predictive quality use case that you demonstrated to some of our manufacturers who joined the session.
Absolutely. That's a perfect example how data perceived initially as a chaotic set of bits and bytes can be leveraged to find out root causes of possible low quality in production batches. This is one of my favorite examples of applying artificial intelligence because it shows perfectly that questioning status quo can lead you to finding benefits, to finding results, to solving the problems. Let me give brief description of what was the problem.
Our customer.
Yes, please. So our customer comes from semiconductor industry, and they were facing a problem of claims and returns of the products, even though they have very complex, robust product quality checks in clean rooms. But still, there were some undiscovered opportunities of improving the process. But the data seemed to be not structured well or modeled well to find out the root causes. And we took a slightly alternative approach. We proposed to customer to have a look on unmodeled signals from the initial phase of the processes, something that was perceived as noise, as chaos, and we found out based on historical data analysis and based on applying various techniques of machine learning that we can find with 100% accuracy the root causes of process parameters of specific field array of chemical substances in that undiscovered phase of process. It is something that really was initially perceived as unusable data.
Sure. Awesome. And the implementation of AI capabilities that ThingWorx offers are enormous. It was great to see the manufacturing Copilot that you built in matter of 2 days using the AI capabilities, and we were ready with the demonstration for the customers to show them the art of possible. Do you want to talk a little bit about the manufacturing Copilot?
Sure. That's a great example of how we can see AI as a multiplier.
Yes.
Multiplier of efficiency, productivity, right? And with this Copilot approach, we move from simple visualization and dashboards to the next level, right? So you can talk with your data. You can use your natural language. You can ask multiple queries that normally would take time. And of course, machine readable data allows that. But those copilots, those agent-based interaction,
Yes.
Gives you feeling as if you talk with manufacturing supervisor who advises you what may be the status of production line, which machine is underperforming, what may be the root cause or root causes, right? What may be the next action. So that brings data more into information, actionable information, so that immediately you can react. Acting on data, right, is the purpose of having AI capabilities in ThingWorx.
Absolutely. That's awesome.